Hey friends, guess who? It's Lisa. What do you think about all these beauties? If you want to learn more about how I grow straw flowers, and friends, these suckers are so tall and gorgeous. If you want to learn how I grow straw flowers and maybe even how I grow all these other flowers over here, join me for my Fridays at noon Eastern Time on my phone app for the live shopping show, where I am showing you the live flowers, the blooms, and how I grow them, and just like sharing all my tips. As well as today I'm talking about weed control and succession planting. And so, there you have it, friends. I hope that I will see you there. And the way you can join me, there's a couple of different ways. So you can go to your app store and download Gardener's Workshop Live Shop. Whether you have an Android or an iPhone, just download it, and then you can just go straight to that app and watch me live at 12 noon. You can also watch the replays there. If you're a Facebook user, you can also view us. It also streams on Facebook, but it's not quite the same experience. You have to kind of register for us to be able to see your name and to comment and carry on with us, as we tend to do on this live show. So I really encourage you to get the app, because that is really the best experience. And here's the thing. I typically all have special offers and even sometimes special products that aren't over on our website. And those things are typically available through the live show until 8 a.m. the following Saturday morning, which is like a little less than 24 hours. So check it out. I hope you join us over there. It's Suzanne is here on the sidelines, and we just have a lot of fun. So join me at 12 noon this Friday, or any Friday, really. And we're harvesting the garden, and that's what we're talking about, y'all. Plus whatever else I'm doing in the garden. So I really hope to see you guys there. And if you want to help, please just spread the word. That's the what really helps us to just provide all of this content for you guys. And we appreciate all your support so very, very much. So join me Fridays, 12 noon, the Gardener's Workshop live shopping show. You can find the app over in your app store, download it, jump on, and folks, it is just a ton of fun and some special offers. So be there or be square, friends. Ciao.